Here at Country Leisure, we are proud to offer Carvin above ground pools. A little bit of history about Carvin. They have been around since 1973. Originally, they were an all plastics manufacturer, and they still are today. The things that are Carvin branded and what they manufacture. They do things in the automotive industry, the medical industry, the safety industry, and obviously the pool industry. So as far as their manufacturing process, the quality of these resin pools, your resin top ledges and side posts, we could not have found a better partner in the above ground pool space. Not only do we trust their manufacturing, the quality and the strength of the pool, the look of the above ground pools are second to none in any market across the world. Carvin, hands down, has the best looking above ground pool. Again, with that, our price ranges, we could be anywhere from about $8,000 to about $25,000, depending on size of pool and the features you would like. Here in store, we're going to carry 5 different above ground Carvin pools. They're going to come in 5 different colors, essentially, different heights. We carry 52 inch, we carry 54 inch. Within those sizes and heights, we have different, again, wall patterns and colors, but also different grades of steel. So we have a corrugated steel pool in 3 of the pools, and then 2 of our pools are in an aluminum wall pool. Again, unique to the industry. We like the aluminum. We think it lasts longer, things of that nature. Again, that's where you see price upticks and things of that nature.